welcome to Newsified, where news comes simplified. So today we'll be talking about Tupperware. Yes, you heard it right. Some of you must be thinking, why Tupperware? So yeah, we'll be discussing about how this iconic brand led itself to bankruptcy. How did Tupperware fell from its craze? So we'll be discussing in a quick review about its past, present and future. So let's begin. A household is incomplete without a Tupperware container. However, it's tough time for the beloved US company. Amid declining sales and increasing competition, the company has filed bankruptcy. The company had previously warned of its doubts that whether it will be able to continue its operations further or not. Let's take a closer look about how Tupperware came to be. Tupperware was founded in 1946 by Il Tupper, a chemist. According to the company's website, the founder had a spark of inspiration while creating molds at a plastic factory shortly after the Great Depression. Tupperware used new plastics to keep the food fresh for a longer time. This innovation came at a time when fridge was very expensive for many families. Tupperware gained its growth in 1950s and 1960s and became a synonymous of plastic containers. According to the company's record, it has become a household name and is being seen in each and every household and is being sold in about 100 countries. Now the question is why the company has led itself to bankruptcy. Actually, it's the consumer's behavioral pattern. Now the consumer is shifting towards more environment-friendly products such as glasses and metals. The other reasons of its decline are increasing in the prices of plastic, increasing in the transportation charges, as well as increasing in the wages of the workers. So now the company has finally decided to sell its products online, but it's too late for the company to take this move. According to the reports of BBC, the company's shares fell by over 50% as soon as the reports came out that the company has filed for the bankruptcy. This was our report on Tupperware. Tell us in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe for more informative videos and stay tuned for more knowledgeable videos. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy and stay safe.